you a Cricut beginner looking to make your very first Cricut project? Well, in this video, I guide you through a beginner-friendly Cricut project that you can make. And I also show you the essential tools that you need so you don't waste money buying Cricut bundles full of materials that you probably won't use. So hang in there and I'll walk you through the process. So my 5 tips to consider for a beginner-friendly project are: choose a one-color design, use a text-based design because those are much easier, use a Cricut Design Space font or graphic because those are readily available within Cricut Design Space, and choose a blank with a smooth, flat surface, and of course choose a simple design. That will be a good start. The tools you will need, the essentials basically, you need your Cricut mat. In this case, we are using the Cricut Joy. You'll need the scraping tool, which just helps you put on your decal onto the surface. You need your weeding tool. You'll need a ruler to do the measurements. You'll need a scissors to cut any excess material, and you'll need your transfer tape to transfer the design onto your surface, and you'll need some vinyl. So within your canvas, which is the area where you do all your designs, you're going to come and hit text. So text will open up a text box like here. And so what we want to do, I'll just move this up so we can see it. So once we have our text box, we'll select a font. The one I like to use is this one called Any. So if you just select right in there the name or the beginning of the name of the font you like. For example, for me, it's this one. We're going to be making a gift bag, a personalized gift bag. So now we have our name, and from the measurements we made of our gift bag, we know that we want our decal or our label to be 10 centimeters long and about a height of 5 centimeters. So you can use these corners to move in and out to bring your design to the correct size that you want, like that would do for us. Or you can also come up here where it says size. You could even, if you clicked here to unlock the size, it means your design, you can make it, you see, it can go this way, it can go that way. So different things you can do. So those are the things, some of the things you can do. So for what we want to do, we just want, that will work about 10 by 5 centimeters for our decal. And now here we have it. And what we're going to be cutting that on our Cricut Joy machine. So, and we are using normal permanent adhesive vinyl. So we've got that set to go, and we'll come here and select the Cricut Joy, which is the machine that we are going to be using. And then now we go to make it. And it will show us how it will cut the design, how it will look on the mat when it's been cut. And you can actually move this around if you wanted to. So say you are making quite a number of labels or decals, you could move them around. You can move it down or up. And then when we look here, we can see we are going to be using a mat, and this is the size of the mat that we are using. Mirror is if we were using iron-on vinyl, and I'll create videos to show you how to do that. But for the purposes of this tutorial, we are using permanent adhesive vinyl, and now that's what it will look like on our mat. We can now click continue and head to the Cricut machine. So then we select Smart Vinyl Permanent is what we are using. You can browse all materials here. There's so many materials, so you can bookmark the materials you use often, which is what I've done. That's why when I came to this screen here, I can see my bookmarked materials, and I'm using smart vinyl. I'm not using smart vinyl, I'm just using permanent adhesive vinyl, but I use that same setting to cut my adhesive vinyl. So now we'll go to the Cricut machine.